You know that feeling when your closet is full, but you still have nothing to wear. Not because you don't have clothes, but because nothing fits your body, your style, or your vibe. You keep wearing the same few things, while everything else just sits there untouched. If that's you, stay tuned, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to change that. There's a reason some girls always look effortlessly put together. It's not money. It's not brands. It's understanding your body and dressing for it. And trust me, it's something anyone can learn. And if you want to actually fix your style, not just watch videos about it, subscribe. Because the next video is your next level. For the longest time, shopping stressed me out. Everything looked amazing on the hanger, but nothing worked on me. I would buy trendy items, things my friends recommended, or whatever was on sale. And then I'd get home, try it on, and feel nothing. A closet full of clothes, and still nothing to wear. Then I realized the problem wasn't the clothes. I just didn't understand my body yet. Not knowing my body, my colors, my proportions, and my shapes. Once I understood that, everything changed. Step 1. Body geometry. Your body has natural lines. Clothes either follow them or fight them. Stand in front of a mirror in fitted clothes. Look at your shoulders, waist, and hips. Shoulders wider than hips. Your upper body carries more presence. Hips wider than shoulders, lower body focus. Equal shoulders and hips. Straight or rectangular frame. Very defined waist, your key feature. This is your foundation. Everything else builds on this. Step 2. Proportions. This one changes everything. Sit down next to someone your height. Taller sitting down, long torso. Shorter sitting down, long legs. Long torso. High-waisted bottoms are your best friend. Long legs. Low-rise or mid-rise works beautifully. Trends only look good if they match your proportions. That's why copying someone else often fails. Step 3. Colors. Some colors make you glow. Others make you look tired. Check your veins in natural light. Green, warm undertone. Blue or purple, cool undertone. Can't tell, neutral. Warm tones look best in earthy colors like camel, terracotta, olive, and warm whites. Cool tones shine in deeper shades like emerald, burgundy, and icy pastels. Neutral tones can use both. Colors are your secret weapon. This is the difference between looking okay and looking effortlessly attractive. Step 4. Build a uniform. Stop overthinking outfits. The girls who always look put together, they rotate pieces they know work for them. Pick 3 silhouettes for your body geometry and proportions. Choose 4 to 5 colors that match your undertone. Before buying anything, ask yourself, does this fit my silhouette? Is it in my color palette? If not, put it back. Simple. Step 5. Visual balance. Most people think they need new clothes to look better. They don't. They just need better balance. Most outfits don't look bad because of the clothes. They look off because of balance. Your outfit should always have a visual balance between top and bottom. If your top is loose, your bottom should be more fitted. If your top is tight, your bottom can be looser. The same goes for colors. If your outfit is all light, it can look washed out. If it's all dark, it can look heavy. Mixing light and dark creates contrast, and contrast creates style. Also, where the eye goes matters. If you want to highlight your waist, define it. If you want to elongate your legs, keep your bottoms clean and uninterrupted. Small adjustments like this can completely change how your outfit looks without buying anything new. Final words. Style isn't something you're born with. It's something you build. And it starts the moment you understand your body. Once you master your geometry, proportions, colors, and silhouettes, everything becomes easier. Shopping becomes easier. Getting dressed becomes easier. And that girl you used to compare yourself to, she's not different from you. She just understands what works for her. Now you do too. If this helped you, like the video. It tells me to make more content like this. And subscribe, because the next video on this channel is going to be your next level. You don't want to miss it.